Hey guys, I'm Ty, and thanks for watching the DJI Goggles tutorial series. Now in this video, we'll be unboxing the DJI Goggles and showing you how they're designed and what each part does. So let's get started. Now in the box, you'll find a pair of goggles, a headband, a wire clip, a charger, a micro USB cable, an HDMI cable, and a cleaning cloth. Also, you can purchase the following accessories from the DJI online store: an HDMI Type-C adapter, the sling bag, replacement thinner facial pad. All right, now let's take a closer look at the goggles themselves. The goggles consist of two main parts: the headband and the goggles. Now press the headband buckle to separate them. On the right-hand side of the goggles are the battery life indicators and the power button. The area just above is the touch panel. You can use it to select items in the menu. On the left side of the goggles is the speaker. There's also a heat vent on the goggles to keep them cool. Underneath this rubber tab are the micro SD card slot, audio port, and HDMI input. On the bottom of the goggles, you have the interpupillary distance knob, or IPD knob, which can adjust the distance between the lenses to suit your eyes. Now, next to the knob is the linking status indicator that tells you if you've linked with the aircraft. Now the small hole next to it, that's the linking button. Next is the function button, which is used to enter focus mode. Lastly, you have the back button that you can tap to go back within the goggles menu. All right, now let's take a look at the headband. On the right-hand side is the charging status indicator. Underneath, on the same side, is the micro USB port for charging, updating firmware, and connecting your goggles with Phantom 4 series or Inspire 2 drones. Now on the back is a knob that can adjust the size of the headband to fit your head comfortably. Now finally, if you decide to purchase the official DJI sling bag, it's a great way to store and transport your goggles. Pack the goggles and headband in their respective covers and place the goggles inside the headband. All right, that's it. Now you know what to expect out of the box and a bit about how the goggles are designed. In our next video, we'll look at how to upgrade the goggles firmware. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.